Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to SK Academy of Mathematics. Today we are going to learn how to solve the problem on ill condition of given system of linear equation. Considering the given system of linear equation, whether it is ill condition or well condition, we are going to prove step by step. How? Let us see. First, whatever they have given the system of linear equation represent solution given. What is the linear equation? X plus 2y plus 3z equal to 14. Next, 3x plus y plus 2z equal to 11. 2x plus 3y plus z equal to 11. But the point, represent this in the form of ax equal to b, where a represent the coefficient matrix 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. X represent x, y, z, and B represent the constant 14, 11 and 11. Then now considering the matrix A, we are going to represent the solution. That is, consider A equal to 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. Now we know that the condition number of the given square matrix is given by condition of A or K of A, which is equal to norm A infinity into norm A inverse infinity, where A inverse you can represent it as 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A. None. Now let us find determinant of A. Determinant of A, which is equal to determinant of 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. Do the determinant matrix multiplication. 1 into 1 into 1, 1, 3 2s are 6, minus 2 into, okay, 1 into 3, 3, minus 2 2s are 4, plus 3 into 3 3s are 9, minus 2 1s are 2. Use the calculator, represent the solution, which is equal to, you can use the calculator, no issues. 1 into 1 minus 6, minus 2 into 3 minus 4, plus 3 into 9 minus 2. You get 18, where determinant of A equal to 18. Then yes, after finding determinant of A, now we are supposed to find adjoint of A. So I am going to represent here itself. Adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is given by, I am going to show you. Considering the matrix A, we are going to represent the adjoint. How? That is, take your calculator. Okay, after taking, press mode setup, press 6, then press 1, mat A, 3 cross 3. Give the values 1 equal 2 equal 3. Next 3, 1, 2. Next 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. Done. Next press AC. After pressing AC, now how to find adjoint? Determinant of A into A inverse. So what I'm going to do, open bracket, determinant of A, shift 4, you get 7, determinant, press 7, determinant of A is in mat A, shift 4 again, mat A is 3, close the bracket, into, now determinant of A into A inverse, shift 4 into 3 inverse, close the double bracket. Done. How to find adjoint? Determinant of A into A inverse. What is A? Mat A. Plus equals. This will be your what? Determinant of A. Got the point? This will be your minus 5, 7, 1, 1, minus 5, 7, 7, 1, minus 5. The adjoint of A minus 5, 7, 1, 1, minus 5, 7, 7, 1, minus 5. Now we have the value of determinant of A into adjoint. Let us find A inverse. A inverse, which is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A. A inverse, which is equal to 1 by 18 into minus 5, 7, 1, 1, minus 5, 7, 7, 1, minus 5. Since the adjoint is prime number, you can represent it A inverse as minus 5 by 18, 7 by 18, 1 by 18. 1 by 18 minus 5 by 18, 7 by 18. The last 7 by 18, 1 by 18 minus 5 by 18. Now, considering matrix A and A inverse, we are going to represent the condition number. First, let us find norm A infinity. Norm A infinity, which is equal to modulus 1 plus modulus 2 row wise plus modulus 3. Next, modulus 3 plus modulus 1 plus modulus 2. Last, modulus 2 plus modulus 3 plus modulus 1. Since all the elements are same, okay, represent maximum. Norm A infinity, we are supposed to represent maximum. Maximum, which is equal to, since I am going with respect to row norm, we are going to represent row substitution. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 comma 6 comma 6. What is maximum? 6 is the maximum. Next, norm A inverse infinity, which is equal to maximum of modulus minus 5 by 18 plus modulus 7 by 18 plus modulus 1 by 18. Next, you get next row 1 by 18 plus modulus minus 5 by 18 plus modulus 7 by 18. The last 7 by 18 plus 1 by 18 plus minus 5 by 18. Close the bracket. Okay, done. Which is equal to maximum of, okay, shift 9 3 equals AC. Now let us do the calculation. 5 divided by 18 plus 7 divided by 18 plus 1 divided by 18. You get 13 by 18. Each and every row is same. 13 by 18, 13 by 18 and 13 by 18. Which is the maximum? 13 by 18 is the maximum. Therefore, the condition number of a square matrix is given by condition of A or K of A, which is equal to norm A infinity into norm A inverse infinity. K of A, which is equal to 6 into 13 by 18. 6 ones are 6 threes are 18. K of A equal to 13 by 3. This is the, okay, this is the required solution. If K of A is greater than 1, if 13 by 3 is greater than 1, yes, it is greater than 1. Since it is greater than 1, if K of A is greater than 1, then the given system of linear equation is ill condition. Ill condition. That's it. But the point, if k of a is greater than 1, it is ill condition. If it is less than 1, it is well condition. Let us take a recap. First, represent the system of linear equation, represent it in the Ax equal to b form. Consider A as a square matrix. Consider the square matrix. After considering, represent the condition number. In that, we are supposed to find A inverse, that is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. What is determinant of A? You get 18. Then how to find adjoint? I have showed you in the calculator. Same way, represent adjoint of A. Now substitute 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, you get A inverse. Now considering A, find norm A infinity, the maximum number is 6, and find norm A inverse infinity, the maximum number is 13 by 8. Okay, 13 by 18, sorry, 13 by 18. Now, the condition number of the given square matrix is given by k of a equal to norm a infinity into norm a inverse infinity. 6 into 13 by 8. 6 1s are 6 3s are 18. The k of a, or the condition number of a, is 13 by 3. Since it is greater than 1, we can conclude that the given system of any linear equation is ill condition when k of a is greater than 1. I hope you have understood each and every step of the given ill condition linear system of equation. For more videos, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.